And figure shows two isosceles right angled prism A and B and the light ray incident on the prism A. Complete the diagram to show the ray emerging out of the prism B. State the principle used for completing the ray diagram in part A above here. So see a ray of light going here. So first of all, you can see these two rays are parallel. Can you see that? These two rays are parallel here to each other, also parallel to 90 degree. So which means it's falling at 90 degree only. Fine. And if they're falling at 90 degree, then it will go undeviated. We know the reason why. Then what happens? If this is 90, let's draw this one here. I have to draw a normal at this point. So what is the normal that we have? Normal is, okay, if I draw it here like this. Okay. Okay, this is the normal that we have drawn here. Now you can see what is the total angle that we have in it. This is 90 and isosceles, so this will be 45 degree, right? And this is 90 here, right? The total is 90, right? So this angle is how much? Also 90 here. Fine, 90, this also be 90, this is 45. How much will this be? This also will be 45. If this is 45, this entire thing is the normal is 90 degrees, then if this is 45 here, then this angle should also be 45, then we'll make it 90 degree. So this angle is 45 degree, right? So what is the incident angle? Right, 45 degree. Angle of incident inside it is 45 degree, which is more than 42 degree, which is critical angle. Once again, it is entering the light here having an angle of incident is 0 degree here, so it will go undeviated. Is it clear? Then it makes angle 45. We have to draw another one which is at 45 now. Is that part clear? How we are doing it? So it will go and we have to draw a line from here 45 degree. Okay. Now, so why we have drawn here 45? Because let me color as red. Fine. Now this is the normal that I have drawn here. Now why this is 45? Because angle of incident is say 45, so reflection also will be 45. Clear? It will go. Then it is coming out at an angle of 90 degree. So it will not get deviated, it will go straight. So what is the angle over here? These two sides are parallel, so it also will be 90 degree here. Because they are parallel, so it also will be 90 degree. And once there is 90 degree, then what do we have inside that? If I draw the normal, it will be 90. So what is the angle of incidence here? Here also angle of incidence is 0 degrees, so it will go undeviated. And then it will come to the other edge. Now let's do that. We have to draw a normal again here. If I draw the normal will be like this. And what is the color of the, what do we have the normal as? Normal here is, give me 1 second. Normal here is, okay, I have drawn the normal here. Now what is the angle between the two here? See, we know that this angle is 45 because this is 45, this is 45 they have given you. So this angle is 90, this is 45, so this angle is also 45. And if this angle is 45 and the total 90 degree here, this is normal 90, so 90 minus 45, this angle also will be 45 degree. How much will that be? 45 degree. So what is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is again 45 degree. So it will go through total internal refraction and go like this. Is it clear? Fine. So this is the ray that will come out of it after what? The first one. Similar way the other one also will come out in the same manner. Is it okay? Similar way the blue also will come out in the same manner. So what do we have to do is we have to draw a line here So make it blue, fine, and put it here like this, and then I have to draw another one. So same way the other will go through, and you'll find this is how the ray of light has come out. Clear? This is the way they will get into it and come out like that. Fine. So what exactly has happened? Have they got any deviation? The answer is no, no deviation. Why no deviation? Because it's going this way and coming out also in the same way. Is that okay? Now, but it has got, you can see the blue, which was this is the image here. You can see it is also the same here. Got the point here? Remember, this is all the question that is based on angles that you have to use in it. State the principle used for the completing the ray diagram in part A. So see, angle of incidence is 0 degrees, so therefore no deviation, it will go straight. Fine. Inside that, okay, it makes an angle which is more than 42 degree critical angle, so it is going through total internal reflection in it. Same here and same here. Is it clear? So it is coming out also in the same manner, 90 degree, which means the angle of emergent is also 0 degree. Why? Because incident, or we can say 0 degree, so it will go through no deviation, 0 deviation in it.